Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to check the auto update expiration date on your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook. To do that, you have to simply open the control center in the bottom right corner of your screen, then click the gear icon to open settings. Here in settings, we're gonna have to scroll down to the About Chrome OS section on the sidebar, and then go to Additional Details. On this page, we're gonna have to check the update schedule. In update schedule section, we'll be able to see when the updates will stop coming to this laptop. And as you can see, this device will get automatic software and security updates until June 2033. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.